As global warming and glacier melt accelerate, the problem of carbon emissions becomes more and more serious, and our living environment is facing huge challenges. In this context, biochar, with its unique environmental advantages, has become an effective means to reduce carbon footprint and alleviate global warming. Biomass carbonization is the heat biomass materials in a high-temperature anaerobic or low-oxygen environment to generate biocharcoal. This technology not only realizes the effective utilization of waste, but also plays a significant role in carbon emission reduction. Through biomass carbonization, we fix carbon that would otherwise be released into the atmosphere into biochar, effectively reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. In addition, biochar also has wide applications in agriculture and animal husbandry. Adding it to the soil can affect the soil microbial community, thereby regulating soil respiration and reducing carbon dioxide emissions. At the same time, in the livestock industry, biochar can accelerate the conversion of methane in the digestive system of livestock and reduce the emission of this greenhouse gas.